Look no further for power and versatility in hands-free lighting. The XPH34R headlamp is designed to be worn or held in the hand, featuring a storm-proof and dust-resistant light body that rolls 180 degrees in its bracket for dynamic directional control, but can also detach to become a handheld flashlight with a built-in magnetic tail cap for easy mounting and hands-free beam positioning. The XPH34R has 4 light output modes, peaking at a staggering 2075 lumens on turbo mode. COAST proprietary beam for absolute domination of darkness with a max beam distance of 195 meters or 639 feet. COAST Pure Beam Optic with twist focus enables seamless transition between Ultra View Flood Beam and Bullseye Spot Beam, and Rechargeable Dual Power technology means that it can run on either a COAST ZITHION-X rechargeable battery or alkaline batteries. This behemoth boasts a max runtime of 36 hours on a single charge.